AOL LC8 cutting machine is specially suitable for insulation board industry. It is equipped with 3 cutting tools: oscillation knife, V-cut, and milling knife. This oscillation knife can cut materials up to 3 centimeters in thickness. That is within 30 millimeters. And this V-cut tool, we can cut materials up to 20 millimeters in thickness. This milling cutter, mainly used to cut U-shaped grooves. It's shipped in containers. When the customer receives the machine, simply connect the power supply and auxiliary motor to use it. Some customers are concerned with whether the software is easy to operate. So let me show you our software works. Normally, we usually use CAD or CorelDRAW to make cutting pattern. First, create the pattern, then use colors to distinguish the cut lines, such as red, yellow, or more colors. Once finished, you can import it into cutting software. We support many formats, such as AI, DEX, DWG, and more. After importing, we can choose our tool based on the color we just marked. We choose our tool. If the red one means we need to cut through, then we choose the EOT knife tool. And the yellow one is V-cut tool, and choose the V-cut cutting method. We can automatically select according to the color. After completing the setup, simply connect the machine to start cutting. This tool is our company's new model, a double V cutting tool. It uses pneumatics to control the up and down of the blade. You can use only the left or right side, or use both sides. This achieves double V cutting. It is twice as efficient as our previous one. Next, we'll show you the cutting process with our knife tool. Our machines can cut more than 3 times faster than manual cutting. Acoustic panel has a wide range of applications in conference room, hotel decoration, home decoration, and audio-visual room, KTV, many places that need noise reduction and sound insulation. It is very common in daily life, such as pet supplies, and some exhibitions and displays will use this. So with the future development, acoustic panel will have more applications. Next, I will show you the customer's finished cut products.